sky we intertwine. In the moment we're alive. We'll run till we touch the clouds, feel the heartbeat of the crowd. Through valleys, peaks and streams, living out our skyline dreams.
Morning everybody, just stopped here at the engine quickly. We on our way, me and Andre, to Macassar. Glad you guys can join us on this exciting episode. Just want to reverse the camera. I'll show you Andre's bakkie just at the engine. Just got something to eat quickly and to drink later on. Rods are on the roof, and yeah, we're gonna try for Galjoen today, and hopefully we successful. I'll show you Andre as soon as he comes out, just to greet, and yeah, join us on this episode, and hope it's a nice one. And yeah, let's see what happens. Morning my friend Andre, how are you doing?
Good morning guys, how are you?
I'm not gonna greet the guy because I already greeted him at home. But yeah, we ready for the day, and yeah, what we targeting, Andre?
We're on the Galjoen today. We're gonna go down to Ledges and see if we can't target a Galjoen or two and see what the day offers.
It's a bit cold this morning. I don't know if you can see the steam coming from Andre's mouth, but yeah, it's going towards winter now, so it's cold this morning. But yeah, we're ready, and let's go, and we can show you some footage.
Let's see later.
All right, thanks.
I set my sights on the horizon's line. The salty breeze whispers you're gonna be fine. The waves are calling my name loud and clear. Nature's anthem ringing in my ear. Sunrise paints the sky with golden threads, each moment savored like fresh baked bread. Seagulls dancing in the morning light, heartbeats quicken as dreams take flight. Oh, I'm riding waves of wonder, feel the pulse of the ocean thunder. With every splash my spirit soar high, in this endless sea under a sprawling sky. Step into the storm, the thunder rolls, eyes like lightning, our hearts bold. Through the fire we march so tall, in the chaos we find it all. No chains can hold us, no shadows hide. We break the rules, let the sparks fly. Every heartbeat is a battle cry, an echo fierce in the night sky. We rise, we fall, we burn it bright. Against the odds we fight the night. Our spirits high, the world ignites. Through the fire we climb the heights. The walls may crumble, the ground may shake. We'll stand unbroken for our sake. In the ashes we see the dawn, a new day fierce we carry on. Notes in the air, we're feeling strong. With every step we've made a song, a symphony of dreams we've spun. Through the fire we've just begun. We rise, we fall, we burn it bright. Against the odds we fight the night.
Okay, we've come here to the Ledges side, but
Just past yellow box.
unfortunately, the Ledges side we got stuck a bit, so we decided to come here to Aas Bankies. So we stopped here, and I just want to show you guys quickly. Here we are. There's a couple of anglers there right at the bottom as well. So yeah, we're gonna try here quickly, see what the conditions are. We get any bites or nibbles. Got a few that side, but like I said, we got stuck. So yeah, me and Andre's gonna try here at Aasbankies quickly and see what happens. But yeah, wish us luck. Okay, Andre just cast it in now. So I still have to bait up. I think he's got some red bait on. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, here he is. And there's my rod holder. So yeah, I still have to bait up quickly, and then I'll show you guys once we cast it in. Okay, something we haven't done for a while.
Yes,
we're gonna
Wayne.
Gonna do a cheers.
Cheers on
Cheers.
sunrise.
And two nice heavy bites. We're getting a lot of action here. So me and Andre is very excited. Yeah, maybe pulled in a bit too soon, but we're gonna cast out again, and then yeah, see what happens. A lot of activity in the water. So yeah, cheers guys, and cheers Andre.
Cheers.
Hope we catch some nice fish today. Okay, we always talk of the pools. I just want to show you guys here quickly. You can see for yourself. Andre had a lekker pool, as you guys can see there. Okay, stugging lightly. There we go, there we go. Can you guys see? So I've both got my camera, so that you guys can see there how it's tugging, pulling. But it's coming and going. Yeah, we got red bait on now. So let's see. Hopefully we get something soon. Yo, dang. Mussel bait, and yeah, let's hope for the best. I think we had a fish on earlier, but yeah, it came off. So let's see what happens. Okay, just a quick update. Sun has come out, sunrise. Some working water here at Aasbankies, and yeah, getting a lot of action. Andre is also getting ready for another cast. We're throwing mussel at the moment. Yeah, like I said, we're getting a lot of action, so hopefully something comes out shortly. But let's see. Andre's gonna cast in. He's also got mussel on, but I think number 2 hook, 2-0, and grab, because we've got a current running from left to right, and then Gert and them also joined us, him and his son. We will go greet him just now. Just giving you an overview of how the beach looks. A lot of anglers there and right to the bottom. And then same on that side, yeah, also a lot of anglers that side. Yeah, wish us luck. Getting a lot of bites and action. Let's see. Okay, we're just checking in with Gert quickly, like I promised earlier on. He joined us earlier, and yeah, morning Gert. Sorry took us so long to come say hi, but
no man, it's understandable. There's a lot of action in the water. You can't immediately run over and leave your rod when there's fish.
Yeah, no, we're pretty excited. A lot of activity, like Gert says. We're on the mussel and on the red bait, getting a lot of action on the red bait, but more on the mussel. So yeah, we think there might be galjoen in the water, because that's the only fish that would bite on the red bait. But yeah, we're also getting a lot of bites on the white mussel. Actually more there, but and your take, sir? Anything?
Basically the same thing. I caught a small steenbras earlier on a mussel.
Yeah.
That I threw back.
Yeah.
And I had a fish on earlier on red bait that came off on the reef.
Yeah.
As the sinker was bouncing over it. Now I'm getting quite a few big thumps again on red bait, but this is a real stinky one. By the time that it was all cotton up, it was black. It wasn't red anymore.
Sure.
So I'm hoping for something decent.
Decent, yeah, same as us, yeah. But let's see, we might be moving spots just now, depending on how the activity is still, because we're on the dropping tide now. I think it was completely high at 9 o'clock.
If it's anything like last week, it's going to remain active the whole day.
Is it?
Yeah, no matter how deep you need to go in with the tide, it doesn't matter, it's going to remain
active. It stays the same, yeah. So yeah, let's see, maybe we'll stick it out, we'll see. But yeah, thanks Gert for your input, really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the day, and thanks a lot.
Absolutely, man.
Sharp, man. Alright. Okay, let's go put Andre on the spot again. Shame. Gonna put you on the spot. Yeah, any updates, sir?
Nothing yet. Still a lot of bites, but nothing to looking yet.
Yeah, I spoke to Gert now. He said apparently if there's a lot of activity on this specific spot, it normally stays like this the whole day. So I'm not sure, you know, how it normally works on this area or this spot. But yeah, let's see. But
yeah, the bait goes in and comes out clean. So I think it's a bunch of pickers.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, but we still deciding, you know, if we're gonna stick it out here or move or whatever the case may be.
Most probably move.
Yeah, most probably move. I know Terence and them are also further down, so yeah, we might be checking in with them as we go along. But a lot of activity here on the beach here at Macassar. Sure, a lot of guys there at the bottom, and so I don't want to turn this too quick. And then a lot of guys here on this side as well, and then right down to the bottom as well. So yeah, we'll bring you updates as we go along, and thanks for watching. Okay, Gert's mask is off, little steering.
Second full steenbras of the morning. Same piece, man.
At least it's a result, eh? We're not blanking. Alright. Just gonna put it back quickly. Okay, there she goes. Safely released. Okay, just to show you guys, I didn't blank today so far. Got a nice little steerie. Just want to show you guys. It's about bigger than my hand. But yeah, I have to go release him. He's undersized. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay guys, we decided to do a spot move, me and Andre. Yeah, still getting a lot of action, but small little bait fish. So we're hunting the bigger, either carp or actually galjoen at this stage, but yeah.
Yeah,
Can't
let's
go.
see what the day holds.
Yeah, we can't go for the small little peckers the whole time. We have to look for the fish and for the holes. Yeah, it's dropping tide now, so I'm not sure if we yeah, are gonna get anything further. We'll have to go look for a nice big hole and try our luck that side. But I'll show you guys once we're there. And yeah. I say, ons het hulle gevang. How you doing, Martin?
Good man, good.
Sorry, let me just reverse the camera and greet the guy. Haven't seen you in a while, eh?
Ja, nee.
Lekker, lekker.
Hey, wat doen jou? Doodstil man, doodstil. Dank aan jou, Pelly. Wat goed man. Ja, goed byt nou maar, wil nie kom met
Ja.
Ja, nee, ons kry baie,
dat
nee.
was
Jeez.
Hulle
man.
byt net die bissies bewe, maar niks vat.
Okay, here's Terence.
Mr. Wayne,
How are you?
how are you, my man?
Lekker,
I
lekker.
get an Oscar for this.
Yeah. You're looking good, you're looking good.
Remember my friend Martin?
Yeah.
You better say hello there.
No, he already greeted, yeah. He already greeted, yeah. So,
So hopefully you're going to get something today, we hope.
we hope, man. We got a lot of bites and nibbles and small little steenie and so forth, but nothing serious. Yeah, Gert's also there on that side.
Yeah, he passed you earlier.
There's a fish that came out now.
Yeah, that's
What is
I
that?
got, yeah.
steady.
Oh, it's a steenie.
Small steenies, yeah.
Yeah,
So it's,
no,
There's a lot of
zoom
them.
in there. There's a lot of steenies coming out. But yeah, we're waiting for the big stuff, man. But anyway,
tide's going out now, so. But I caught my cob on a low tide, right?
yeah.
So the options are still available.
Let's
It's
see.
not to say low tide, you're not going to get anything. So.
Definitely,
And scratch for
definitely.
Khali, maybe you get.
Yeah,
I know there's a reef out here where the guys throw.
yeah.
And if you can hit the reef, you'll be on the Khali as well.
Yeah, we looking around still where we can cast him. We don't want to stand here on top of you guys, but see there is a
There's
gap
only space,
gap
yeah.
there. Yeah. Okay, just a bit of update. We came here just past the blockhouse. Andre's already casted in. Let me show you. Okay, there's Andre. So he's casted in. I'm still bait up. So yeah, get baited up and cast in and see what happens. Okay, let's get baited up with some mussel. Okay, so I've got a number 2 hook, 2O hook. Okay, just throw the mussel a bit. Just put it here at the bottom by the stomach part that the steenbras and galjoen like. Just hook it through there, and then yeah, just cotton it, and then it should be ready to cast in. So let's just cotton it quickly. Should be okay. Yeah, then I'm just going to tie it off a loop around the pointing finger. Pull it through the bait cotton holder and then release it and break it off. And yeah, there's the bait. So yeah, let's go cast in and see what happens. Okay, Andre might be on. Let's just reverse the camera. See? It's not something big, he says. Feels very small. Ah, it came off. Ach no, man. Steenie. Small little steenie, it came off. But anyway, it's the way it goes. Okay, just a bit of an update. Me and Andre decided to leave there. And we went on a mission and stopped by some of the guys along the way and chatted to everybody. Yeah, the water is very flat at the moment. You'll have to walk in very far to cast in, and there's not much working water, so we're gonna have a look here at the bottom what's going on there. If we don't see anything, then we're gonna call it a day, yeah, and But yeah, we'll greet you guys if we do decide to leave. And just thankful that you guys are watching. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the day. Thanks Andre for awesome day out.
Yeah, thanks Wayne. Yeah, what a lovely day, eh? Sun is no wind, sun is up. It was a little bit cold, it's chilly this morning, not cold, chilly.
Yeah, chilly this morning.
Now it's fine.
Yeah, it was an awesome day, nice and hot, and yeah, I had a lovely day out. Unfortunately, we didn't catch much fish, only the small little bait fish. But yeah, at least we could have brought you some footage, take you with us on our day out. And yeah, what an awesome day. You guys must have an awesome week, and like I said, please like, share and subscribe, all those nice things. The channel is growing, and I really need your guys' support. So it's over and out from us, and see you next time. Cheers.
Cheers guys, bye bye.